Hello YouTube, it's Kirsty here. Got an unboxing to do today. Called another box from Bunny's Fur and Feathers. It's for my Eclectus Parrot Summer. And let's open it. As you can see, it always comes nicely packaged. Always comes with a card, which I like. I haven't got Summer with me today. She's just had a shower, and so she's in the bathroom with the heat lamps on, drying off. So I thought I'll unbox this now. So the first thing we get is another parrot pinata from Planet Pleasures. It's a rose. Got roses in it for her to chew on. I love these. These are real awesome. And next is Fun Max Sport bird toys. They got the wood things with the seed mixture in the middle, so she's got to really try her hardest to get into them. She's gonna like them. Next we got, these are foot toys that she can pick up with her feet, with different textures, different colours. She loves colours. All the toys from her last box are all destroyed. So that's another one from Planet Pleasures. And then there's this Calypso Creations. This is a toy that discourages feather plucking, so can't wait to see that. See if it does stop her from plucking out her feathers. If she does, I haven't noticed her plucking her feathers out, so it's all good. And we've got another a treat, sort of like a pine cone. And it's got peas and carrots in there. As you can see, the orange is carrots and green's peas. I think it might have some corn stuff in there as well. I'm not too sure. But that'll be good for a nice treat. And the last thing in here is a garden style, is a swing pop banana nut topping. It's like a banana shape with nuts and banana all on it. And that's the last thing. You can't eat these, Bubba. Here, come here. Put that down. Come here. Come here. And this is little Dante. This is my son. It's my middle son. I've got an older daughter, you've seen her. I've got a younger son, you've seen him. Or some of you have seen him. If you've watched my depression video, he's in that. These are not yours, baby. And this is Dante. He's the only one that hasn't been in one of my videos. Isn't that right, baby? No, that's for Summer. That's for Summer. You can't eat them. You're not a bird. You can't play with them. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, that's all for today. And hopefully I'll see you in another video. Bye.